Today, we are installing a driver's side swing case in our 2021 Ford F-150. The install may vary, so be sure to check the install guide for your vehicle. Start by removing the taillight by removing the two 8mm hex bolts. Then pull the taillight toward the rear of the truck. Unplug the wiring harness connector and then set the taillight aside. Line up the truck bracket with the 3 holes in the driver's side of the bed. Starting with the middle hole, insert a Torx bolt through the truck bracket and the truck. Next, place a lock washer and assembly nut on the bolt and hand tighten. Insert a Torx bolt the same way through the top hole. With the grooved side of the aluminum spacer facing the truck bed, slide it onto the bolt. Follow it with a lock washer and nut, then hand tighten. Repeat the top bolt procedure for the bottom bolt, then tighten all 3 Torx bolts. Next, remove the 4 T30 Torx bolts from the box link plate. Using existing hardware, install the striker bracket over the top of the box link plate. Note, the tie-down can remain attached to the plate. If the truck does not have the factory box link plate or tie-down plate, use the 4 supplied T30 Torx bolts to install into the 4 factory self-threading inserts using a cordless impact driver or drill. Next, reinstall the taillight. Lower the box on the hinge pins and gently push the box to stowed position to install the swing case. To operate the swing case, pull the latch rod. Swing the case its full range of motion, making sure it operates freely and latches easily. Do not slam the box to stow it. If the swing case does not latch easily, it may be necessary to make some minor adjustments. The latch has slotted holes. Just loosen the 2 bolts and adjust as needed. The twist lock allows you to open and latch your swing case without a key. When you want the most in security, you can lock the twist lock. You can also easily remove the swing case to take it on site. Just remove it from the pin and it comes right off. Your swing case is now installed.